BMW R 1250 RS Best Adventure Motorcycle Constant Mesh 6-Speed W Helical Gear Teeth. Our European sources have given us a first look at the 2021 BMW R 1250 RS Sport Touring motorcycle. Most of the changes are in the options and what is included in standard equipment. Given that, there is still quite a bit to know about the latest RS. 1. The 2021 R 1250 RS is Euro 5 compliant. The most significant change is that the ABS can no longer be defeated. 2. Driving Modes Pro has engine drag torque control as part of the electronics package, along with the Core Screen Sport. 3. The Style Sport Austin Yellow Metallic Matte color option now comes with a matte black frame. The RS is not available in option 719 Stardust Metallic for 2021. 4. There are new parts in the option 719 Shadow Milled Parts package. The engine housing cover, as well as the cylinder head covers, are now anodized black/silver. 5. The option 719 Shadow 2 Milled Parts package gets several new items. The package has black/silver anodization on the hand levers, foot pegs, shift lever, and expansion tank covers. 6. The Storm and Storm 2 versions of the option 719 Shadow packages now have an identical array of parts, though finished differently. 7. If you like the option 719 HP milled parts packages, you'll be disappointed in 2021. They are gone for 21, as is the option 719 seat and the HP silencer. Fortunately, there is a new sports silencer. 8. We do not have the price or availability of the 2021 BMW R 1250 RS yet. BMW R 1250 RS specs. Engine type: horizontally opposed twin. Displacement: 1,254 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke: 102.5 by 76 millimeters. Maximum power: 136 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. Maximum torque: 105 feet per lbs at 6,250 RPM. Top speed: 125 plus mph. Compression ratio: 12.5 to 1. Valvetrain, DOHC with dual profile cams, 4 VPC. Cooling, liquid and air. Transmission, constant mesh 6-speed W/helical gear teeth. Clutch, hydraulically actuated slipper. Final drive, shaft. Chassis. Frame, continuous tubular steel bridge type. Front suspension, travel, non-adjustable 45mm inverted fork, 5.5 inches. Rear suspension, travel, BMW Evo Paralever and WAD strut with spring-preload adjustable shock, 5.5 inches. Wheels, cast aluminum. Front wheel, 17 by 3.50. Rear wheel, 17 by 5.50. Front tire, 120/70x17. Rear tire, 180/55x17. Front brakes, dual floating 320mm discs W/4 piston fixed calipers. Rear brake, 276mm disc, with dual piston floating caliper. ABS, standard W/linked braking. Dimensions. Wheelbase, 60.2 inches. Rake, 27.7 degrees. Trail, 4.4 inches. Seat height, 32.3 inches. Fuel capacity, 4.8 gallons. Estimated fuel consumption, 50 miles per gallon. Curb weight, 536 pounds. 2021 BMW R 1250 RS colors. Black Storm Metallic. Style Sport, Austin Yellow Metallic Matte. Style Exclusive, Imperial Blue Metallic. Option 719 Sparkling Bronze Metallic. BMW R 1250 RS price, $MSRP TBA.